everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's eye look is going to come from Profusion Beauty, a great alternative to those who want to find really nice makeup products at a great price. I was checking out their 5-color eyeshadow palettes. They come in 5 different colors, but I only picked up 3. The collection is floral inspired, with each palette inspired by a particular flower. Here is Delightful Dahlia. Here's Terrific Tulip. And the one we're using today is Romantic Rose. So each one is a beautiful combination of matte tones. These 3 right here. You have a lovely shimmer shade to use on the lids, and each one comes with a beautiful glitter. I can't wait to play. So we're going to prime these lids. So brows are done, and we're going to prime the lids. We're priming with the Juvia's Place eyeshadow primer. So we're going to dip into the darkest color here and use this on the outer corner. We are praying for pigmentation. And it's just a nice rich color. That is awesome. So let's take this reddish shade. Oh wow. See that? All right, they ain't playing. They have come to play. Beautiful pigmentation. So I'm going to take this matte pink and go into the inner corner. We'll take a flat shader brush for the lid and take this soft shimmery shade. It's a beautiful shimmer, and it's just a lovely color. It's pink, but it's orange. Now my favorite part, and I like to apply my glitters with my finger. Y'all. Now okay, we're moving the camera because I just want you to see this. Look at this gorgeous, you see this? Look at this gorgeous, gorgeous glitter. And so we're going to fast forward with the rest of the face, and we'll be back. Are added. Let's finish up this look with the Kimchi Chic lip pencil in Black Cherry. Layer some colors. So we're going to start with the Maybelline Superstay Vinyl Ink in Royal. And then we're going to take the I'm Mimi Matte To Go lipstick in Automatic. Final finish, because I forgot. We're going to take our Black Radiance True Complexion 3D highlighter. And I'm going to go with the peachy shade right here. Guys, very pleasantly surprised by the quality of these Profusion eyeshadows. So glad I bought the 3. May go back and get the 2. Guys, for this price, it's just a beautiful palette for spring and summer. You can get this for $4.98 on Amazon and on Walmart.com, and probably at your local Walmart. These are not new. They've been around for a little while, but with this kind of pigmentation and texture of these shadows, it's worth buying all 5 of them, guys. Thanks so much for joining me. If you haven't, please subscribe to my channel and please thumbs me up and comment, guys. Love to hear what you have to say, especially if you already have these palettes. Love to hear, and we may come back and do another one with one of the other colors soon. Guys, thanks so much for joining me. Take care. Have a wonderful, wonderful week.